Did you know an entire town was driven to madness by a sound that didn't exist? In 1991, emergency rooms in Taos, New Mexico, were suddenly flooded with desperate residents. They all reported the same terrifying symptoms: splitting headaches, sleepless nights, and thoughts of ending their lives. The cause? An inaudible hum that only 2% of the population could hear. This wasn't mass hysteria. People were bleeding from their ears, having violent outbursts, complete mental breakdowns. Families were torn apart as loved ones heard the maddening drone, while others heard nothing at all. Scientists finally confirmed the horror. The sound was real, vibrating at frequencies that directly mess with human brainwaves. The most disturbing discovery? Government underground installations might be the source. Similar frequency attacks happen worldwide near military bases, suggesting this wasn't an accident. The Taos hum still haunts survivors today, a reminder that sometimes the most terrifying weapons are the ones you can't see or hear.